This is Ben with Tucson Future Classics here to show you stock number 25111. This is our 2016 Acura MDX with 129,000 miles. It's had 3 owners with no accidents or damage reported to Carfax. We sold this vehicle back in March 2025 to a loyal customer of ours. They recently got a company vehicle, so they no longer need this, and they sold it back to us. This vehicle is overall in great shape with some minor scratches here and there, which I'll outline in this video. Starting with the front of the vehicle, overall presents very well. There's no major damage, just minor chips from years of driving. All 4 wheels have good tires with good tread. And this side of the vehicle is in very good condition. No major damage to report. Right here on the bumper cover, there's a minor scuff, which I missed. I could easily buff this out, which I'll do after this video. And then there's a minor scratch here on the rear quarter panel. I don't believe that'll buff out. And just some minor scratches, but no dings at all on this side. It's a little bit more wear and tear on the rear, starting with this trunk. There's a couple paint chips in the Acura logo and on the bottom of the trunk. As for the bumper itself, there's minor scuffs from years of use and loading luggage and other items into the trunk. A little bit of damage there. Very minor stuff in my opinion. As for this side of the vehicle, also no major dents like the passenger side. Start with the lower portion of the bumper right here. It's just a paint chip that flaked off. On this quarter panel, there's a scratch. Other than that, looks great. With the exception of a couple more chips. Just one right there. A couple right there on the lower portion of the bumper on the driver's side. And then finally this mirror has a chip. Just being fully transparent with you guys, so you can evaluate the condition through this video and decide if you're interested. This vehicle does drive really well. It's super comfortable and it has 3 rows. Step into this nice cushy interior. Has a light beige leather interior. On the door panel here, you have all the controls you would expect. Button for the power operated liftgate and memory seats. As for the seats themselves, they're in very good condition with no damage to report. And we'll step inside here, and there's that odometer, 128,814. No warning lights on the dash at all. The center screen, you can see your range, average gas mileage, and your tire pressure controls, as well as some settings. Oil life is at 90%. The intelligent drive system, I believe is what that abbreviation's for. There's a button right by the gear selector. You change it into sport mode if you desire. I think it just adjusts some of the shift points and the throttle sensitivity of the vehicle. On the steering wheel, you have controls for your media, your cruise control, etc. Not too much to report over here. In the center, they've given you 2 screens. The top one is used for phone, trip odometer, and your backup camera. Maybe a couple other things. Oh yeah, you can see all your settings. Down here is where you control your media and climate control. This portion of the screen is touch. The top one is not. Use this knob right here to control that top screen. It's very easy to use, especially when you're driving. You don't have to take your eyes off the road too much. Small compartment here with the power outlet. Your gear shifter. These are just buttons. Might take a little to get used to, but me personally, I like them a lot. They save some space in the center console. Some more storage right here with the sliding door. and a giant center console. Up here, you have a frameless auto-dimming rear view mirror. Adds a nice touch to this interior. Up here, your controls for the sunroof, garage door opener, you have sunglass container, and your map lights. And we'll move on to the rest of the vehicle. Rear seat room is plentiful. Being a front-wheel drive vehicle, there's no drive shaft to create a hump in the middle. 3 passengers can sit side by side comfortably and have plenty of their own leg room. These seats are also in great condition, super comfortable. Rear passengers have their own climate control settings with these buttons here, and a center armrest with some cup holders. These seats do slide forward and backwards, so if you wanted to give the third row passengers some extra room, just pull it up, depending on how you want to adjust it. On the seats, there's a button to electronically slide them forward to access the third row. A decent amount of room back here. With the second row seats slid forward a little bit, you could fit a couple adults, no problem. Each rear passenger has their own cup holder. Rear trunk space is plentiful in this MDX. Here's how it looks with the rear seats folded down. Putting them back up is very simple. Just grab this handle and pull it up. Just put the headrest up and you're set. Off to the side, there's a storage cubby and power outlet. Underneath this floor, you have extra storage space. If you pull this up, you have access to your spare tire. You'll grab the tool, screw it into there, and lower it because it's under the vehicle. Under the hood of this Acura is the 3.5 liter naturally aspirated V6 made by Honda. The code name is J35, and if you're a Honda person, you know exactly what that means. These engines have been used in Honda vehicles for years and have proven reliability. There's no major issues with these, just preventative maintenance that needs to be done, like the timing belt, which the previous owner had done with the water pump back in April of this year. You can check that out on the Carfax. This Acura is perfect for someone who wants a family hauler that's going to be very reliable for the next decade. It's a super comfortable vehicle, offering a lot of modern amenities for an affordable price. If you'd like to check out more pictures, want more information, or want to see more of our inventory, check out our website, TucsonFutureClassics.com. If you'd like to schedule a test drive, we are appointment only. Please call or text our dealership at 520-268-6244.